How can you solve if you cannot see your iPhone charging symbol on your battery when you will scroll to the down from the right corner of the screen like this? Here you can see on the right top it is a battery option that is showing 41%. And what if you cannot see or you don't see the charging symbol? Whenever you will put your iPhone on charging, you will see a electricity symbol here like this. Yes, you can see that is charging now. But what if you cannot see this type of charging symbol inside your phone, inside your battery? So for this, we just need to reset our Apple iPhone here. For resetting it, just go on the setting option of your iPhone here and scroll for the general setting. When you will click on the general, you just have to scroll to the down, and on the second last option you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on that, click on the reset, and click on the first button called reset all the setting of your iPhone. So it will lead that it will refresh your mobile phone or reset all the setting. If there is some wrong setting inside your phone, it will be erased after this step. After that, you have to click on the shutdown button here and restart your mobile phone. The secondary thing, guys, we can just check our charging socket, our charging adapter or our cable that they are working or not, because this is all you can do with your mobile here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query or any type of confusion regarding any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. Keep watching, keep loving. Thank you so much for watching this.